Not really. Guess we need to.
Back up. Back her up.
I never showed you the picture.
Oh, okay.
Just taking a shot up here.
I did the 5 minutes of the effort, and then there's 2 minutes of the recovery, so you can just not.
Yeah. I'll just take a picture.
Yeah, I totally
I made it.
Yeah.
Just didn't catch that picture.
Yeah. It's like we took a picture of the trail that we climbed earlier, and then my Jeep when we were all back at the top.
Yeah, there you go.
Like, man, that was a toughie.
You need to stay up there.
When you get here, I think you want to turn back this way.
No, go all the way right here.
And out.
You want to go straight
Yeah.
All the way to here.
Your driver's side tire needs to be where that winch strap is.
Yeah.
Say word.
Right.
Word. Word.
If he falls off,
It's not my car. You got a cage in at home.
well,
As long as you keep that winch tight, you don't have any problems.
Woo.
Unless it breaks. You guys seen the cable went break?
What?
I've broken a rope.
I've seen rope snap, I've seen cable snap. Yeah. I've seen a barely get Deering that block get out. That was good. Hey driver. Hey driver. He's not a good listener.
Alright.
Yep.
Edit. Just edit.
Push it over. Whoa, you can't do that.
Go right where you're at.
Whoa, how about you yesterday? No one said I couldn't do it.
Mow the tree over.
what's that?
Mow that tree over.
I just wish you had done it about 5 minutes before.
Oh.
What you got? I'm gonna winch the tree in. That's right.
All right, I'm climbing down.
You ever see the guys must